Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Tinder account permanently. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open up the Tinder application in your mobile. So note, deleting your account on Tinder will be pretty much same on Android and on an iPhone as well. So just click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, and in your Tinder account profile, tap on this gear icon in the top right corner. You will land on this page here. You have to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and at the very bottom you can find this delete account. Just simply tap on it, and now you can see this option. You can pause your account as well. If you like to keep your account but not be shown to other, you can pause your account instead. But we have to tap on this delete my account, and now you can see this. Are you sure you want to delete your account? So you have to select a reason. If you want, you can select, or you can skip this as well. Now when you are on this page, you can tap on this delete my account, and then your Tinder account will be deleted permanently. So your account will be deleted, but if you log back your account in 90 days, you can recover your account. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.